This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. So first of all, we are going to start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 50 by 40 unit. Then I will proceed to 35 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So first of all, I'm selecting top plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle and place the center rectangle here and draw a rectangle of 40 by 50 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 35 unit. So I am extrude bossing it to 35 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see in the right plane we have a extrude cut rectangle here, and the extrude cut rectangle is two sides. One is here and another is here. So first of all, I draw one extrude cut rectangle and then I will mirror the other one. And this extrude cut rectangle has a dimension of 20 by 15 unit, and we will extrude cut it to 50 minus 10 unit divided by 2. So it will be 20 unit. Okay, 20 unit this side and 20 unit the other side. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle from here and place the corner rectangle to this corner and draw a corner rectangle of 15 by 20 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 50 minus 10 unit divided by 2. So it will be 20 unit. Now press OK. Now select the right plane. Now select mirror, and from here features to be mirror, select the extrude cut 1. Now press OK. So our this extrude cut portion has been done. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, in the front plane, we can see we have a extrude cut rectangle here, and in the top plane we have another extrude cut rectangle here, and these two extrude cut rectangle are related to each other. We can see the dotted line from the right plane. Okay, and for drawing this extrude cut rectangle in here, first of all, we can see this distance is approximately 10 unit, and so this distance will be also 10 unit here, because we are seeing this middle, this line is going through the middle, so the total distance this will be 20 units, so this will be 10 unit. So in the front plane and front face, I will draw a center line here, and this center line will be dimension of 10 unit. Then I will draw two offset line here, and this two offset line has a total distance of 30 units, so the half distance will be 30 divided by 2. Then I will close this shape, then I will extrude cut through all. And in the same way, in the top plane, I will draw a center line at the middle, and this center line will be dimension of 10 unit. Then I will draw two offset line of 30 unit. Then I will close this two shape. Then I will extrude cut through all. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and do this. So I'm selecting this front face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, now select the center line from here and place the center line here and draw a center line of 10 unit. After that, select the offset entities, and from that select this center line, and the offset will be total distance will be 30 units, so the half distance will be 30 divided by 2, so it will be 15 unit. Now bidirectional. Now cap int. Now line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. In the same way, we will do this in the top face also. So selecting the top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the center line again and place the center line to the midpoint and draw a center line of 10 unit. Now select the offset entities, and from here select this line, and the total distance is 30 divided by 2, so it will be 15 unit. Make sure to check the bidirectional cap int and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now after that, extrude we will use the extrude cut option and extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So we have seen that we have drawn the sketch. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.